In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can block someone on TikTok. Okay, so there's two ways that you can go ahead and do this. You can either click on their username from the homepage, or you can go to your profile by tapping on the me icon in the bottom right. Then you can go to your followers and let that load up, and you can find the account that you would like to block. Let's say, for example, I'll block this account at the top. All you would need to do is go to their profile and then tap on those three vertical dots at the top right, and then you can see buttons at the bottom, and next to the report button is a block button. Go ahead and tap block, and they're just asking you, are you sure? So just confirm that, and that person is now blocked. And to be able to see your blocked list, all you need to do is go back to your profile, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right once again. Then you want to tap on privacy. Then you just want to scroll all the way down till you see blocked accounts right at the bottom. And here you can see the account that you just blocked, and you can go ahead and unblock them from here if you so decide. So that is how you would block someone on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.